Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to make earrings design in a very creative way. I have already made some earrings for you all before. In today's tutorial, we'll learn earring design in a very creative and innovative way. I hope that you will love this tutorial. If you like this, do like to the video as well as give your valuable comments. Do subscribe to my channel to explore such innovative designs in the future. And now let's get started. Material required is fabric. So we need two types of fabric here. One I'm taking this plain pink fabric, and another one is this green colored fabric which had some design. This is also called as khun fabric. So we are going to take these two fabrics. Then we need L'Oreal beads, Laria, these are 5 mm golden beads, these are 0 size pearl beads, Fevibond glue, cutter plier, scissor, and we need safety pin too. Base. Then this instrument I am taking to make the rounds, and pen. So first of all, I am taking this cardboard, and with the help of pen and perfume bottle, I will draw a circle to this here. So we need half circle. So I usually don't draw half circle because it takes time to draw. So I have this jugaad, you can say. Now I'll quickly cut this circle. So I have cut this circle, and now we will fold this here, and then from this middle one we will just crop this. Guys, you can see we have cutted this base, and now we will for this we will add this blue fabric. So first I'll just measure how much fabric is required, and we'll cut it accordingly. And with the help of Fevibond glue, I'm going to wrap this one. So we have done this, we have attached this fabric. So now we need one more base of this green fabric. So we'll keep this aside for a while, and we'll do that green fabric. So for that green fabric, I'm taking this one, and I'm taking this Fevicol bottle for making the base. So I'm taking the cap of the Fevicol bottle as the instrument to measure the base, and we'll draw a circle like this. Okay, so now I quickly cut this. So guys, I have cutted this circle, and now I am taking this green fabric, and I will measure how much it is required first. Okay, so we are immediately going to stick this one with the help of Fevibond glue. So you can see we have made this round base, and now I'm taking this half circle base, and we are quickly going to add this round base on this like this. So I will again with the help of Fevibond, I'm going to stick this over here like this. And now we will also do back finishing. So I'm taking this green fabric, and first I'll measure how much it is required, and I'll cut this fabric in that way. So I have cutted this fabric, and now we are just going to stick this one. So first I will add ample amount of Fevibond glue. And on this one I'm going to just simply stick it, and I'll make sure that at the edges I'll put pressure so that it will stick properly to the edges. So we'll keep this one for drying for a while, and once this get dry we'll come back. So guys, see, you can see this has dried up, and now we will simply cut this extra fabric. So I'll quickly cut this extra fabric now. I have cutted this, and now we are going to add the beads dangles. So I'm taking this bead, L'Oreal beads and other beads. So I'm taking this Laria first, and in that I will insert this 0 size pearl bead, and you can also insert locked bead or 0 size golden bead, and then I will add this 5 mm golden bead, and then we'll insert 10 L'Oreal. So I'll quickly add 10 L'Oreal beads. So I have added 10 L'Oreal beads. So we are going to take this safety pin, and we are going to add this bunch of beads to on three sides. One is here, here and here. So I will first apply it over here. So I'm making the hole with the help of safety pin, and we'll try to insert this. So luckily it has came, and now we will wrap it over here. Okay, make sure to wrap this properly. If you want, you can also take the help of plier. So in the same way we are going to add these beads to these two sides. So I'll quickly add them. So guys, you can see I have applied these beads tassels to all this side, and it's looking so pretty. But we are going to make this more prettier. For that I'm going to add this pearl beads chain. So what we are going to do is I'm going to take this Fevibond glue, and to these edges of this green circle we are going to apply the glue, and Then we'll carefully apply this pearl beads chain to this golden beads, to this green circle. Okay, so now you can see it is looking more prettier and and it is looking more heavier look. So once this get dry, we are going to add earring dangle. So we'll wait for this to get this dry. So guys, these pearl beads had dried up, and now we will finally add the earring dangle. So on the middle I will just make a hole with the help of this safety pin. We are going to add this earring dangle. So I'm taking the plier first, and we'll open this hook and we'll insert this one. We are not going to add any jump ring in this, just simply add this one, and again with the help of plier we are going to close this loop. So yeah, that's what it contains. So with this, all these beautiful earrings are ready, and here's the second one. Do try to make these gorgeous earrings at home. If you face any issue while making these earrings, do let me know in the comments below so that I can solve that issue and also others can learn from it. If you like this video, do like, share, comment on it. And if you're new here on my channel, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making designs like this in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.